Good morning from sunny Huddersfield in West Yorkshire. In this video I'm going to be walking here from Castle Hill across the valley to a village called Farnley Tyres. Now the reason why I'm going to be doing that is because I want to explore something they've got in this country called public rights of way. Put quite simply, public rights of way are exactly what the name says. The public has the right to be on them, and these footpaths often go across farmers' fields and various other sorts of private land, but as long as you stay on the path and don't litter or don't camp, you have every legal justification for being there. Here we go, there's a public footpath. See that there? I'll come around this side, you can see it better in the sun. Oh, can't see it on that side because it's faded. Alright, I didn't rehearse this. Public footpath. This says Castle Hill Geology Trail, so that's another kind of, so it's a public footpath, but there's like a theme to it, the geology trail, and that goes off in that direction there. And this here is known as a stile. This is the thing where you step up onto it, like that. This is to get over the fence, to get onto the public footpath, or to leave it once you're finished. I mean, you might be on a public footpath that goes for miles and miles, and you'll cross several of those as you go through different fields. And what you need to do when you're walking along roads and you're looking for the public right-of-way, you've got to keep your eyes peeled because they can be easy to miss sometimes. It's off to the right here somewhere, so I'm just keeping an eye out, and I think I can see a sign up ahead. This is just a little stone here, and it can be a tight fit, especially when you've got a backpack. Now it's not easily apparent that there is a public footpath here. The map indicates that it's here, but you don't get little signs along the way encouraging you on and telling you you're on the right path. There's really just a sign generally pointing in this direction. So in those cases, just use your best judgment. If unsure, stick to the edge of the field, and if someone starts yelling at you, you run away fast. That's the word lum again. Lum dike, D-I-K-E, lum dike. So I'm on the path now, well, a path. Ooh. The gate. Oh, this is absolutely beautiful down here. What a sheltered private little area here. There's the path out there, it's still going. Little private woodland down here and the stream flowing through. Following a public right-of-way can lead you to all sorts of wonderful and really quite magical places. Oh, and another lesson learnt, I just went back onto my phone to check maps and I have no internet connection down here. That's another one of the realities when you go walking like this. You're not always going to have internet connection. Make sure you do screenshots and things and keep them on your phone rather than relying on internet. Here we go. Whoops. I don't know if you can see this, I've just come through this, there's Lum Dyke there. I've crossed over it and come through there. There's a track going that way, and I just passed some people, they were going that way. So I want to keep going along this pathway here to get to the village. So, up and over we go, and back down again. Well, it looks like the public right-of-way just hugs the edge of the field, and that's the way I'll go. And it's not just people on foot who can use these. If you've got a horse, you can take them along bridleways. They also double as just regular walking paths as well. Just come to another little stream here. This one's dry as well. There's an old dry stone wall here in very bad condition and all overgrown. Broken through here, continues off that way. It follows the edge of the stream. And these two stones here. wonder what that was for. Anyway, path continues up this way, and don't hesitate to ask a passerby if you feel a little bit lost or you need some directions. There's so many public rights of way that it can be easy to take the wrong one, especially if you don't have the right maps or you lose internet. So beautiful. There's another little gateway here. This one's very different. It's all stone. It's not a wooden style. It's kind of like what I saw back down that way with two uprights right near each other, but there's dry stone walling on either side. Oh, there we go. Or I could have just walked up the stairs there. Oh, there's Castle Hill. God, it looks like it's only about half a mile away. Haven't been walking very far at all then. Anyway, yeah, that's where I was. Just come to a little bit of a confusing spot here because I can see there's a couple of trackways going that way, but shush. But I want to keep going straight ahead, so I'll see if I got an internet connection now. I'll be able to check the map. I don't need your opinion. It doesn't say that there's a track going up there. I might hang a left and then go up that way. I'm not far from the village now, so I'll take a look this way. It says there's a spring. I guess that's it down there. That's dry as well. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I need to go that way or go that way. I just asked those people behind me if I was still on the public footpath, and they said yes. I thought I had to go around that way. I think you can, but I saw some people coming down here, so went and asked them, and here's a gate here. Now this one's a gate, not a stile. And always remember to make sure that you do close the gate after you. These are working farms. There we are. Actually, yeah, this is the right way. Put that there. Put the little cord around that. Have no idea. And wow, great views. There's Castle Hill again, just over there in case I was lost. So the village is just there. I can see the church. And arrived in Farnley. And I wonder if it's too early for the pub. I wonder if they even have a pub here. The Golden Cock. Yes, they do have a pub here. I wonder what time they open. Anyway, there's the church up there. Let's go see if I can find out something about that. Just left the church and some people are doing some gardening there and making it all look very pretty. Lovely folks. Thanks for the offer of the cake. I'm going to go for a beer. And here's another one, public footpath right there going off that way. So the public footpaths really are everywhere. It's so tempting to go up there and take a look at it. But yeah, let's go see if I can get that beer. Very busy little village here. This road is lots of traffic. I went to the pub and they don't open till 12 and it's only 10 past 11, so I'm going to go and take a walk up this public footpath. Heading towards Kirkburton, see if I can find a pub there. The lengths I will go to for a beer. I believe there's a public footpath just coming up ahead because I want to turn back and go towards Farnley again. just in time for the pub to open. And can't see the sign yet. So you can see this footpath here is very steep just behind me there. It's steeper in real life. It probably looks a bit flattened out on camera. So I'm just taking it easy going down here. I don't want to slip. There's another one of these specialty walks. It's Kirkburton Parish Walks, Hester's Haunt. Now I don't know who Hester was, but this walk seems to have a theme or some kind of story behind it. Now this is a little tricky one here because I've come up to this path here and there's one going that way straight through, and whoops, so I don't know if I go turn right or turn left. I would look on maps, but there's no internet here and I didn't get a screenshot earlier, so I wasn't following my own advice. My feeling is I go left. I've got to choose one or the other, so I'll go that way. There are no marker posts here or anything to tell you which way to go. It is a public right of way, but yeah, it doesn't say what's that way and what's that way. Instinct says go left, so I'll go left. This is pretty tough going. There's a lot of prickly weeds and things along here, which is a good thing I'm wearing long sleeve clothing. Ow, that's really sharp. This path has not been cleared in a long time. I think it goes back to Farnley. Yeah, really sharp thorns on those things there. That's a bit better. Farnley Estates. It must have been who made the style. There's the village. Wow, what a walk. Quite a few public footpaths, and it gives you an idea of the variety of public footpaths you're likely to find on a walk. It's not just some nice walk in the country. There's a very thick area back there. There's woodland. You go by streams and brooks, past historical sites, past new housing, and there's Farnley up there. So one of these gates will give me entry back into the village. And I think this is it here. Here we go. Another cord. There we go. Just put that over there. And that's it. This path leads up to the village. I think it's nearly 12 o'clock, so I should be able to get a beer now. And something to eat. Wow. Scottish thorns. And here we are. Public footpath. Okay. That was terrific. Great little walk around. So that gives you some idea of public rights of way here in the UK. And whether you're trying to get from A to B or just want to go for a nice walk, great way to get around the countryside. So just make sure the main rules, you stick to the path, you don't go wandering, don't leave rubbish, don't camp on them, just use them as a place to move across the landscape. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. I had fun making this today. If you like the channel, please consider liking and subscribing. I'll see you again soon. Please slow down. Wildlife accident zone. Very clumsy wildlife around here.